Hey guys, it's Tim with BooneDOX. Dave and I have taken I don't know how many requests and questions whether our landing gear will work on a gear track. We've told everybody we don't recommend it. We don't want them to try it. We finally decided it's time for us to try it. We'd rather mess up one of our boats than one of y'all's, so I'm going to quickly uninstall my landing gear on my Native and I'm going to put it on the gear track. So let's get started. Oh, real quick, this is our new backing plate that I've been testing. It is now in production and should be out within a week or two. It's 9 inches long versus the old one, so you can see it's going to cover a lot more area of the plastic. There's the landing gear. So as you can see, there is no damage to my hull underneath or anything. All right, to put in the backing plates for the gear track, you're gonna, well, at least on the Slayer, you're gonna have to take the gear track up. So let's go ahead and try to do that. All right, that side doesn't want to come. Let's try the other side. All right, looks like we'll be able to get the other side, so I'm going to take these off to get them out of the way. This is the backing plate. It's made out of stainless steel. It's quarter by half inch, quarter-inch thick, half-inch wide. So we're gonna put it down into the gear track. All right, I will go ahead and say I am concerned with this gear track only having 3 screws in it. But that is a risk we're going to take here at BooneDOX. We're going with a factory Slayer, so you don't have to do anything special. We'll give it a shot. There is a hole here for the factory, a 4th one. I may go ahead and add something there for it. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. We'll see what happens. is that noise? I forgot an Allen wrench. Forgot an Allen wrench, so I had to run and grab it real quick. And because we are just testing this out, we haven't gone through the trouble of getting the proper length bolts or anything. So I had to put a nut on top of this bolt so it doesn't bottom out while we're trying to do this. Alright, so in all actuality, that side is installed. Let us now move to the other side. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna, in all actuality, if I was doing this, I would use the shorter bar apparently. But the longer bar doesn't hurt. Can't hit the hole, man. And whether this works or not, or it fails or not, we're going to post it, so you might be getting ready to see a gear track rip off a boat. Excuse the language if it does, but we're not going to be ashamed to show our failures. Alright, we had a little technical difficulty. I had to change memory cards, but we're back at it. You didn't miss anything. I'm just tightening down these set screws, maybe. All right. So let's see, first impression. All right, seems to be setting in there pretty well. No?
That was it.
Alright, well, definitely have to use a shorter bar, but I still think we can see what happens. least on an empty boat it holds up. What's it doing with weight? Alright, you can see, come down here, Dave. Now just get a level shot right here. Now just sit back and get a level shot right here. Alright, y'all, you can see you're definitely going to have to put that next screw in. Look what happens. So that is going to instantly be a modification that you've got to do from the factory. Is we're going to have to put a screw right here. So we're going to stop the tape, see if we can't locate something to put in there, and we'll get going again. Alright, so we are going to have to drill the boat. We're going to have to fuss at Native for not having this secured down like we feel like it should have. So we're just going to simply drill 2 holes and put a 1/4 inch bolt in it. Alright, well, like we told you, we instantly saw a problem. The gear track was coming up because of lack of a screw. We went up, put just a bolt and a nut through here. So we did drill through the hole, but like I said, it's where a factory screw should be. So now we've got a bolt and a nut down through each side of the gear track, and we are going to try this again. Let's see what happens when we put a little pressure on it. I can't tell if it's, let's switch sides, Dave. I think I bent that side. Yeah, you can see this side is nice and flush with what we're trying to do, so let's put some pressure on it. It raises up some. All right, step back. Let's get a good one on this one. Y'all, I'm 205 pounds, so this could get ugly real quick. Well, I'm totally off of it. Both feet off the ground. I did, when I got on it, I did notice the gear track stressing up a little bit. I don't know. That looked, like I said, I'm 205 pounds. I know someone out there will still be skeptical. Oh, Lord, please don't let this break. All right. $205 pounds of direct weight on the landing gear, on the gear track. I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous. So let's put it back up with no weight on it and see if anything's messed up. Like I said, the first time I bent this without having that bolt down in there. So if you look at the other side, now you can see the other side's bowed up some too. So we might have to look into maybe just drilling another hole down through your gear track and getting that closer there. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this attached like this for, I don't know, a week or two. I've got a tournament tomorrow, another tournament in Wilmington next week, and we'll give it a shot. Hopefully I'm not regretting it, but we've got to test it before we send it out for y'all. So wish me luck, and at least it didn't rip through the boat. Thank y'all.